Hello everyone. Today we'll walk you through the process of getting a work visa for Italy. If you're interested in career opportunities in Italy, this video is for you. We will cover everything you need to know about the Italian visa work, also known as the National D-type visa. Before you can start your career in Italy, you need to apply for a work visa. The type of visa you require depends on your qualifications and specific situation. This video will help you understand which visa suits your needs and the requirements for each. First, you need to secure a job offer from any authorized employer in Italy. Provide all necessary documents including your resume, recommendation letters and any other required information. You will also need to provide evidence of your travel itinerary, accommodation and sufficient funds. With an employment offer in hand, apply for the work visa. Wait for the interview. Wait for an interview call from the Italian embassy. After the interview, you will await the issuance of your visa. There are two types of Italy work visa permits. One is short-term work visa and the other is long-term work visa. First, we will look at the short-term work visa. It's valid up to 3 months. This visa is ideal for your seasonal jobs in agriculture or tourism. The long-term work visa, this visa lasts for 2 years and is for highly skilled professionals. It includes several subtypes such as seasonal jobs, researchers and scholars, permanent or temporary employment, tourism, paid holidays, athletes, and even artists. Now let's look at the different visa types in more detail. The Schengen visa allows for a stay up to 90 days and multiple entries. The extended Schengen visa is valid up to a year and allows for a longer stay. The National D visa allows you to stay up to 4 years and is suitable for long-term stays. So what are the requirements for an Italy work visa? Here's what you need to know before applying. You need to have a valid passport, a complete application form, recent passport size photos, an employment offer, proof of qualifications and experience, bank statements and business registration documents. What are some alternatives to a work visa? If you don't want to apply for a work visa, consider these options. You must have a student visa, which allows you to work part-time with limited hours. Family reunification visa for those with a spouse or close relative who is an Italian citizen. So how to apply for an Italy visa? Applying for a work visa is straightforward. Here's how to do it online. First, you need to create an account. Start by creating an account on the Ministry of Foreign Affairs website. Then you need to fill out the application. Log in and complete the application form with your details and intentions. Then you need to submit the fee. Pay the work visa application fee. Then you will get a confirmation email. Then you need to wait for processing. If accepted, your visa should arrive within 10 days. That's it for today's guide on applying for an Italian work visa. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.